Alright guys, here it is. I'm fixing to pan some. See how gray that is? It is bluish gray. It's so pretty. But it's not like clay. See how it's grainy? It's not slick and slimy like clay. That's just some dirt that got mixed in with it. Fell off the side. Get rid of that. Actually, there's more than I realized in here. I didn't know there's that much dirt mixed in with it. There we go. Alright, I'm going to pan it and I'll show it to you. I'm trying to walk out here and not fall in the water. You see I'm standing on rocks. Watch this. Watch the water. See that? See how crazy that looks? Here's another look at the rocks. Man, there's some nice quartz in there, guys. I think we're going to have a real good run. Good looking rocks down in that stuff too. That is so blue. The camera don't do it justice. It is so bluish gray, it's unreal. That's what you look for in Alabama. So far everywhere I've been in Alabama, I've been in Cleburne, Clay, Talladega. I think that's the main counties I've been mining in, and every one of them I found this bluish looking layer. When I find creeks and we get in an old creek bed, we find this bluish looking stuff with the rocks in it. And it's always got this oily. Can y'all see the water, what it's doing? See that? It's crazy how it does. I don't know what's in it unless it's silicas or something that makes it do that. Most of the stuff breaks up really easy. It's cut. Now that's clay. That's brown though. Tell a big difference. Alright, I gotta use both hands. I'll come back. Alright, that's what it looks like once I got it down. It's just really pretty. There's a bunch of black sand. I hadn't looked at the gold, see if there's any gold in it yet. I was just going to show you the rocks. They're pretty. See how pretty those quartz is? Okay. Trying to do this one-handed. It ain't working very well. There's a lot of black sand in it. Clean water. So hard to do one-handed. Roll some of them rocks out of the way. I see gold. Holy cow. Test pan right there. Give me a sec. Let me get this cleaned up. I'll show you. Alright, there's that test pan. That's a good test pan right there. Wasn't even, it was a little bitty shovel. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. It's definitely 22 colors in there. Alright, let me go show him.